Hi everyone, my name is Michael and you're on TRADERSVIEWY channel, and in this video we're going to break down and use manipulation that happened before and at the Token 2049 cryptocurrency conference. Watch this video to the end to understand how to work with fundamental analysis and capitalize on 30% net movement in less than 2 days. Token 2049 Dubai is a cryptocurrency and blockchain technology conference that brought together top entrepreneurs, investors, industry leaders, and global media. The event was held from April 18th to 19th in Dubai. And at the previous Token 2049 event in Singapore, the list of notable speakers included Daniel Ricciardo, Formula 1 driver, Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance, Jeremy Aller, co-founder and CEO of Circle. So these names have contributed immensely to the development of cryptocurrency field and continue to do so to this day. Even Zhao, who is under criminal investigation for laundering money from the Binance exchange. Speakers at this year's event included Pavel Durov, founder of Telegram, and the TONcoin, who was paired with Paula Ardonio, CEO of Tether and the USDT stablecoin, Richard Tang, who replaced Changpeng Zhao as CEO of Binance. Brian Johnson, founder of Blueprint, and Balaji Srinivasan, founder, investor, and author of The Network State. What was waiting for the participants at this event? Speeches by world-renowned speakers, the opportunity to immerse themselves in the community, make new friends and useful acquaintances, take part in networking sessions, share experience and knowledge with experts in the field. The most important thing is that such an event could bring all these fruits for only $999. That was the ticket price for Token 2049. Would you like to take part in this event and meet the people on whom your success in cryptocurrency might well depend? Write about this in the comments. I'm reading your thoughts. Token 2049 is famous for its speakers. Usually they broadcast about the future of cryptocurrency, the major steps that will take this world to the next level. Before I talk about the momentous speech that put an end to a news manipulation that brought plus 30% to the value of the coin, it's definitely important for you to understand what market manipulations exist. Market manipulation is dishonest actions that take place in the market to artificially increase or decrease the price of an asset. This may include spreading false information, mass selling or buying of assets to create false supply or demand. As a result, manipulation can lead to unfair prices that do not reflect reality and damage to investors. There are various ways to evoke the raw emotion in traders and investors, but there are only 4 tools in the arsenal of market makers that are used in the crypto market especially often and effectively. We will talk about them below. Wash trading is a way of trading in which large holders sell a certain asset to themselves in order to mislead retail investors, creating the illusion of activity. It's simple. Candle red, candle green, repeat. A good example is the NFT. The year 2021 is remembered by cryptons as the year of NFT fever. According to chain analysts, at least $44.2 billion was transferred into ERC-7121 and ERC-1155 contracts, creating ample opportunities for both wash trading and money laundering through self-funded trading. NFT purchases were often financed either by the seller themselves or those who financed the sellers. The number of such transactions reached several hundred. Pump and dump. The eternal classic. Pumpers spread information that gives investors a sense of promising coin and accordingly increases demand for their asset. And with it, when the price reaches the right level, pumpers drain their pre-preserved shields, simply unloading into greedy investors. The main ways to trigger and pump a dump hype, it's the next Bitcoin, Ethereum killer, and loud statements of the kind create optimism among investors, but in 95% of cases suggest speculation and more of a red flag than a reason to buy. Price spike. If a new token grows rapidly in a short period of time, you should be careful. Parabolic growth may just be retail bait. News cycles. Positive news coincides with big whale buys. This creates a sense of smart money, successful event trading, and whale insider, which in turn casts retail to buy more. mimicking the whales. Example of pump events. Crypto.com advertises at the Super Bowl, Tesla buys Bitcoin, Coinbase goes public with an IPO. All of this news is aimed at creating excitement and encouraging impulse buys from retail investors. Bear rate, the sense of this manipulation is that big players open short positions and start spreading negative news about their asset. If successful, FOD will provoke panic among investors and they will start closing lock positions. They will essentially become fuel for shorts, and a typical scheme of a bearish rate looks like this. Launch a FOD, open several large short positions, continue to fuel panic, capture gains, and to counter this type of manipulation, it is important to diversify your sources of information and distinguish between reasonable negativity and FOD, or at CZ used to say for spoofing. Spoofing is a method of manipulation through placing fake orders that are cancelled before they are executed. Since one of the basic trend indicators for trader is the number of buy and sell orders, fake orders provoke decisions favorable to the manipulator. At the end of this video, be sure to write in a comment what manipulations were used during the speech. We will talk about those who write correctly. I will like. And in the most discussed speech by Pavel Durov and Paolo Ardino, something happened that affected the value of the TONcoin well before the start of token 2049 by more than 30%. Similar things regularly happen in anticipation of the realization of actions from the news, but later these movements led to a legitimate correction. The TONcoin was released by Pavel Durov and implemented in Telegram for simplified transactions within the service, and the announcements of the event and the joint speech with the founder of Tether made many people realize what the event will be about. However, let's start with the news about Telegram and leave the most interesting stuff for dessert so that you don't miss out on something equally important, and then find out how the news affects the price of the coin and when you should sell. Pavel Durov said that Telegram will be able to sell sticker in the form of NFT. The founder of Telegram, Pavel Durov, during the Token 2049 conference in Dubai, spoke about innovations that will appear in a messenger in the near future. And according to Pavel, authors of stickers will receive 95% of the profit from their sale. So in addition, Telegram will have an analog of Patreon, through which users will be able to send donations in cryptocurrency based on the TON blockchain. So content authors will receive 70% of the donations, while the messenger itself will receive 30%. So the Telegram founder noted that Messenger users will also have the opportunity to log into their accounts using cryptocurrency wallet. This is very interesting stuff, and soon it will be possible to formalize the rights to the name of your account to sell it if desired. Pavel Durov emphasized that all innovations will be available to all users. No programming skills will be required to use the new features. Paolo Ardino, director of Tether, spoke and announced the integration of USDT on the TON blockchain. During their speech, TON made a rise to $7.2, after which it collapsed to $6.4, collecting huge liquidations, and in a further move, the price was even lower, reaching $4.50 at one point. You should buy in rumors and sell in news, a quote that will always be relevant. But was the introduction of Tether USDT as influential for TON and POL? Let's get to the bottom of it. USDT, like other stablecoins, runs on multiple blockchain networks such as Ethereum, Tron, Polygon, or Solana. USDT tokens of TRC20 standard running on the Tron network are the most popular among users. The first rumors about the launch of USDT in TON appeared in early April when a joint speech of Telegram founder Pavel Durov and Tether head Paolo Ardino at the crypto conference in Dubai was announced. When the information was confirmed, the TON asset started gaining momentum. Someone bought on the news, and someone understood that this innovation will bring capitalization and liquidity to TON. Only on the day of introduction, there was an inflow of $10 billion. Why did TON collapse immediately after Durov's speech? The joint speech of Durov and Paulo was a really big stake that went viral on the internet for many weeks and collected capitalization from all over the internet, including Telegram users who cared about Pavel's story. As soon as everything happened and people realized what awaited TON, all the intrigue fell, and it became clear to most people at the current stage many services have support for Tether, and this didn't give them similar access or more the price of the same $7, which at that time was TON. At the current stage, for further growth, the coin needs to plunge even lower to gain liquidity, and on the same news to gather more capitalization to reach a new price level. But this will not happen without introducing new chips in the development of the project, which is being developed by Durov and his team of programmers. TON is tied to Pavel's personality, and Pasha is a sharp tongue guy who has said a lot of unnecessary things when the speaker talks about his coin and calls it hollow when he claims to have overtaken Dogecoin in terms of capitalization. It is quite realistic to expect a collapse after that from unequal-minded people who react too closely to such perspectives. Paul has previously been followed by stories of smashing his wannabes' phones as he scattered money from the balcony of his house onto passing people. This is both good for Paul's media component and bad for doing business, of which TON is a part. Do you think Paul could have purposely influenced the fall of TON after his performance, or is it all a pure coincidence that he wasn't prepared for? Write in the comments, I will write it, guys. So how to behave in the following news manipulation to earn under 30% on the net movement of the coin and also on its fall. As soon as rumors begin that there will be some innovation, you can buy coin on the spot or observing insurance to publish a deal in the long direction under the very beginning of activity in the media about the asset. In a few days will begin the main growth when the media will spread the information to all its audience. Around this time you should be ready for the fall. As a rule, it happens at a time of introduction of new systems, after which there is a natural fall which surprises beginners and allows you to earn on it. Experienced traders. Guys, like and subscribe to the channel. Follow the link in the description below this video to my Telegram channel, where I regularly show coins that you can earn here and now, including on the momentum of market manipulation. Have a nice day. See you soon. Till the next video. Don't forget to share this video with a friend or relative, whoever is interested in this talk. So, bye for now.